Hi, this is John from SuspensionMAXX, talking to you today about upper control arms. This is a 2015 2500 with our leveling kit, our Max Cam 5 leveling kit installed, and the Bilstein 5100 shock absorbers. This kit works great for 2 inches of lift, but if you notice, that control arm is very tight. It's still going to ride great. The thing people don't understand about torsion bar suspensions and the adjustment that they have is, hey, I got this kit, I want to turn it up 3 inches. Well, yeah, and then you wonder why that control arm is built and designed from the factory to limit you out, so your suspension has some way of stopping the dropout travel. That hits at 2.5 inches. Keeps your axles from binding, keeps your shocks from overextending. Well, that's great when your truck's stock. With our leveling kit, we relocate the shocks, drop the differential. Okay, so that's all thought out already. That's the next limiter, your control arm. This factory control arm does its job very well. This truck rides great, but don't expect 2.5 to 3 inches of lift out of the factory control arms. This is our 2016 Duramax 2500. Note, we have our Max Travel upper control arms installed on our truck, which gives a greater distance on the upper control arms, as shown here. Even with more lift height, it's running 3 inches of lift rather than 2 inches as you saw in the previous truck, and has a generously larger air gap and a better ball joint angle than the factory control arm. These SuspensionMAXX Max Travel control arms, made right here in the US, hand fabricated, 1 3/4 tubing, 188 wall, TIG welded, awesome pieces with Moog ball joints. These things are gonna last. They're gonna outlast this truck here. And they can be serviced with greasers on both top upper control arm bushings. If you think your Duramax deserves the best leveling kit, 3-inch lift money can buy, your brand new Duramax deserves a set of these.